Wait, what? I'm late? Where are my shoes? Why is this happening?
Oh my god. Guys, you have probably already seen these types of channels. I even showed you a similar channel in my previous video. But today, we are going deeper into the earning side. Right now, this channel is making around 3.8K, and it already has about 1.52 million subscribers with only 114 videos. The content is almost the same across all videos, and I am about to show you even more examples on the screen. As you can see, these channels are also from the same creator. Yes, the same person is running multiple channels. This one is making around 74.4K and has 8.71 million subscribers, again with only around 114 videos, which is insane. And here is the interesting part. The stories are very similar. The character style is also similar. Only small changes like hair or clothing are made, but the core idea remains the same. If you remember, I showed you Bugs style animation in my last video. Yes, this is the same creator. He is running 3 to 4 channels, uploading similar stories, and making massive income, way more than you can even imagine. These are real examples you can check on any tool. These channels are fully monetized. 100% monetized and actively earning. Now look at the views. 14 million, 11 million, 9 million, 7 million. 7 million, almost every video gets millions of views. And when your video crosses 8 minutes, you can place multiple ads, which increases your earnings significantly. Guys, I have already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. This prompt includes everything: character design, consistency rules, story structure, image, prompts, video prompts, voiceover scenes, and even the final hook. You will find the link in the description. Simply copy it, then come to ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will give you Scene 1 with image, prompt, video, prompt, and voiceover, then Scene 2, Scene 3, and all the way up to 10 scenes. If for any reason the character is not consistent, do not worry. Just type, "Please add consistent character in all scene image prompts," and it will fix everything for you. Let's move to the next step, image generation. Today, we are going to use 2 tools. The first one is Leonardo AI. Many of you already know about it, but if you don't let me explain quickly, it gives you free credits to generate images. Just log in using your Google account, and you will get around 150 credits. On the left side, you will see settings like ratio, style, and model. Make sure to select the model. Nano Banana, this is very important. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. After that, upload your reference image. This step is extremely important for character consistency. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first image will be ready. And as you can see, the result looks amazing. Character is consistent, clean, and exactly how we want it. Now, if you are not satisfied with this tool, I have another option for you, which is flowai. We have already used this in many videos because it is completely free and allows unlimited image generation. Simply log in, select the model, Nano Banana, set the ratio to 9:16, choose quality settings. Upload your reference image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Now repeat the same process for all scenes. Do not change anything. Always use the same reference image and the same structure. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, paste it, generate, and continue this process. Scene by scene, as you can see, multiple images are being generated one by one, and within a short time, all scenes will be ready. Now here is the result. Look at the consistency. The character looks the same in every image, clean, simple, and very powerful. Just download all the images, and now we move to the next step. Video generation. In the next part, I will show you a completely free AI video generator with audio included. And trust me, this tool is going to be very powerful, so make sure you stay till the end. And now we move to video generation, and the tool we are going to use is an all-in-one powerful AI tool. So do not skip this part, because I am also going to share a small trick that most people miss, and if you skip, you might miss that tricks. Otherwise, well, the tool we are going to use for video generation is called videoinu. Videoinu is one of the best all-in-one AI tools, and it is extremely powerful. You simply need to log in, and you will find the link in the description. Once you open it, click on Sign Up for free. And here is a very important step. You can use a temporary email, just like I showed in my previous video copy. The temp mail, come back here. Enter any name, paste your email, and click Send Code. Once you click Send Code, go back, Copy the code and paste it here. Then click Create Account. And as soon as you create your account, you will receive around 500 credits, which is a lot, and more than enough to get started with video generation, since we have already generated images. Now, we will use these credits for video generation. On the left side, you will see multiple options, like Image and AI Video. Simply click on AI Video and the video section will open here. You will see many tools, like Cdance 2.0, Fast, which consumes a lot of credits, and also other tools, like Google Veo 3 Kling 3.0. But the one we are going to use is WAN 2.6. This is the best option because it uses fewer credits, around 170 credits. And the best part is that it can generate videos with audio, so you do not even need an extra tool. Once you select WAN 2.6, you will see options like ratio and duration. You can set the duration between 10 to 15 seconds and choose quality up to 1080p. Now upload your first image, then go to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt with voiceover and paste it into the prompt box and simply click Generate. Within a few moments, your video will be ready as your first generation starts. You can continue preparing the next one and repeat the same process. Upload, image, copy, prompt, paste, and generate. Now, as you can see, videos are being generated one by one, and within a short time, all your scenes will be ready. And here is the result. The first video is ready.
Wait.
It looks amazing. The characters reacting to the alarm and saying, "He is getting late." The scene looks very clean and professional. If you want to save it, simply right-click and click Save as Video. Now, repeat the same process for the next scene. Upload image. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the next video prompt, paste it, and click Generate. The next video will start generating as well. And within a few moments, it will be ready. Now, the second video is also ready. Preview it,
Where are
and you
my
will see the character saying
shoes?
he is getting late
Why
for
is this
school
happening?
and asking for his shoes. The scene looks very smooth and consistent, and this is all generated using WAN 2.6. Now you will notice your credits are decreasing, and once credits
Where
are
are
low,
my
here is a
shoes?
simple trick. You
Why
can
is
still
this
generate one
happening?
more video by reducing the duration from 5 seconds to 4 seconds. Upload the image, copy the prompt, paste it, and generate, and it will still work perfectly. Now the next video is also ready. And as you can see, the quality is still amazing, very smooth and very powerful. Now, once your credits are finished, you can simply open another browser and create a new account using another temporary email just like before. And you will again receive 500 credits. Repeat the same process. Go to AI Video, select WAN 2.6 or any other model you want. Paste the prompt and generate. And your next video will start generating as well. And now, as you can see, another video is ready.
Time to think.
And the character
Just
is running
run.
perfectly. The animation looks smooth and consistent. So guys, you just need to repeat this process, scene by scene,
No time
and
to
generate
think.
all your videos. After that, the most important step is editing. Many people ignore editing, but this is where your video becomes professional. You should use CapCut to edit your video. Add sound effects, background, music, and voiceover. If needed, you can also generate a better voice using 11 Labs and add it on top. Then finalize your video, upload it, create your channel, and stay consistent. And you will start seeing results within 1 to 2 months. Just like the creator who is running multiple channels in the same category and making massive income. All your videos are now ready. They look professional, clean, and very engaging. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.